So on today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make the triangle from bottom up. If you've not seen the first video, which most of the people liked, how to make an easy triangle from top to bottom, then I'll put the link in the description box or on top of the video. But this one is easy. So to start, before we start, this one, it will start large and then it will get smaller till we finish the top. So you choose from the beginning how big you want it. So it will depend on the many chains, the number of chains you make. That will depend of how big you want your triangle to be. So I'll start with a slip knot. I'm gonna chain a random number. So I've done 12 chains just for the demonstration. So what we're gonna do is decrease. So insert the hook in the second chain from the hook, pull the yarn through, insert the hook in the next chain, pull the yarn through. You have 3 loops, pull through all. This is a decrease. This is gonna happen at the beginning of every row. Now we make a single crochet in every chain till the end of the row. Now the next row I'll chain 1, and like we said, the beginning of the row we make a decrease. So insert the hook in the first stitch, pull through, insert the hook in the next stitch, pull through, 3 loops, pull through all, and we continue single crochet in every stitch. This video might be long because I'm gonna show you how to make the triangle in every row, till we reach the shape of the triangle. And last single crochet, chain 1 and turn, again a decrease. Again, next row, a decrease and single crochet. You will notice that the number of single crochet will decrease as you go up until you are left only with 2 stitches, and you'll end up with 1 decrease only and no more stitches. Decrease, single crochet. We're almost done. Single crochet, and this is the last row where we'll do the last decrease. So insert the hook, pull through, insert the hook, pull through 2 and fasten off. That's it. And this is how you get the triangle from bottom up, like this. As I said in the beginning, You decide how big or small you want it. I hope you find this tutorial easy to follow. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And for the written pattern, you'll find the link in the description box. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.